aren't meant to be broken. Take me to where the mountains can kill. People are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart.
So me and my sister just woke up and we're gonna be opening my Sims. And today's the 19th and there's only 6 more days until Christmas. Yes, and me and Emma were gonna be opening the Zoom thing together, but
Ellie, let her hold it.
I'm doing it. So today's the 19th. I never opened one yesterday because it was empty. Like I never filmed me opening it yesterday because it was empty. And I got another part of the train. I don't have a deer yet. Or something. Then I guess we're supposed to have spin. Yeah. Now me and Emma are going to be taking one of the things off the chain. There's only 6 more days left.
I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here.
What are you doing?
Where?
Hold on, Tessie.
Okay, you're pulling my pants down. Get up.
She got a crown. Look.
I changed my picture.
Yeah, to Starbucks. She got a crown. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
I'm changing the picture back.
Hey.
That's crazy, man.
She finally got a crown.
Yeah, 80. It's gonna take me like 10 months. Well, our friend Grover Vlog, her texted me, and she was like, "Oh my God, Ellie got a crown." I was like, "What the heck is going on?" I checked my phone, I saw the picture, and I said, "That's not Ellie's," because there's a Starbucks picture. I'm like, "Oh my God, it is Ellie with the crown," and it was so cool because I was like, "Oh my God, it took us so long to get her featured, so long to get a crown, and now she's."
I have no idea why she got a crown.
This is so weird. No, I'm pretty excited. That's crazy.
Maybe the rule is if you get featured once, you get a crown. It just takes forever.
Okay, guys, so it is Emma and Ellie. Sorry about my hair, I just threw it up because I'm really tired of it being in my face when I tumble, so I just put it up in the rear bun. But anyway, so we have gotten ready for gymnastics, and also we are doing at 12 o'clock today because we just wanted to get it over with since it's winter break and whatever. So like we're going to do it early because I don't think we have 2 more privates left, right? Yeah, because Christmas is on a Sunday and then we have it on Monday. This is my last private. Oh! But anyway, so yeah, we are on our way to go pick up Elizabeth. So we just changed the time because we just didn't want to because we don't have school today. So, or the rest of our lives. So they are drunk from Starbucks. They got some cards, they're playing poker. We actually found this in Mark's room. It's pretty cool.
You got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling. All I ever wanted. You, I'm digging. It's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me. I know nothing ever since I wanted you. I went dripping, never even wanted to. Couldn't even breathe without you. I ain't chilling, my head is spinning round. I went slipping, never even wanted you. Now I can't be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me, you got me tripping ever since I saw you. I went slipping, didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you.
No, Ellie. Do them right.
Guys, we just got back from the private and Ellie is actually doing one of my chores right now. She's feeding the dog and she's gotten hurt like twice today. She's just a clumsy butt. What'd you do this time?
Stitch went between my legs and it made me fall.
Yeah, and look, she made it. She makes it wobble now. So the dogs are eating, and about the fall, I'm okay. Nothing happened. My hair, I just threw it up, and so about the fall. If you're wondering what happened, I was too scared to do it because that's how I'm supposed to set up really high, and I was really scared. So I didn't do it because I was super scared. So I just like blinked out in the middle of it. I'm okay. Nothing happened to me. It's just that it gave me a headache when I was tumbling, and just mental blocks about it, just doing it again. And also we just packed, I found this bracelet, my mom's bracelet, and now I'm wearing it. My eczema has gotten worse, it sucks. Comment down below if you have eczema. It's like a rash that gets all over your body and it itches really bad. It comes during the winter season. But we ate lunch here. We had some bread, ham, turkey, I don't know, I think it was turkey. It's turkey. And Mark came home for lunch also. We always do that when we're on breaks. He always comes home or brings home lunch, or we cook it for him and also us, ourselves. Christmas is in 6 days. I was just thinking about this. It's gonna go by so fast. Oh, peekaboo. But anyway, so I just wanted to clear up that I'm okay. I think we have to go to the camper place tonight to get whatever out of the camper and put something in it. And then we have to go to, and I just remembered, we have to go to the U-Haul place to get U-Haul boxes because we ran out of medium-sized boxes. So yeah, and we just packed our parents' bathroom and closet, and Ellie was playing chase with Stitch.
Alright guys, I don't have any makeup on today. So, we went to pick up more boxes because we ran out of boxes. I was packing our bathroom and closet today, and the girls had their private, obviously you've seen that. Yeah, so we are eating at Fazoli's. Ellie had fettuccine alfredo. Mark, what'd you have?
Baked spaghetti.
With?
Sauce.
Meatballs. Emma, what did you have?
I had fettuccine alfredo.
With?
A breadstick.
Oh, a breadstick.
Not right.
I had
That's racist.
baked spaghetti.
That's racist. That's racist.
I had baked spaghetti with meatballs. Ellie, what'd you have? You have to say it right.
I got the breadstick.
I got some French breadsticks. And then a Alfredo.
FYI, that's Emma's 4th breadstick.
My braid.
Such a liar.
That just died.
There's no second.
Okay.
Have you got my notification yet?
No. I think I turned them off.
But it's, lady,
So, anyways,
here, this is a private.
our first meet and greet is the 23rd, which is this Friday, from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. at Gymnastics Unlimited. So make sure you come.
And it's $10 if you
Yeah,
want
it's
to
$10 if you want to play in the gym. If not, it's free, and you can hang out in the lobby with us. How was your day at work, Mark?
It was great.
What'd you do?
I packed my office.
Are you excited that you only have 4 more days?
I don't know about excited.
Why?
Days until we go to Grandma's.
Are you serious? 4 more days,
4 more.
and you're done working.
Yeah.
You're not excited.
Yay and nay. Yay and nay. Been there 10 years.
How many days till Christmas?
6.
Who's excited? Are you excited?
Oh yeah. Girl, can't wait for Santa.
More things to pack.
Yeah. Okay, what's your number 1 thing you want for Christmas?
Shoes.
That's your number 1.
I don't
That's your number 1.
Yeah.
No, we're good, thank you. Your number 1 is a laptop.
Yeah. What do you mean by number 1? Like
What is the only thing you have to have? You must have.
a laptop.
I know.
What?
The big giant Moana pig stuffed animal and the hoverboard case.
Can't get a hold of my obsession. I just want you in my possession.
But anyways, guys, so we got home from eating at Fazoli's, and they're watching, I don't know what this movie's called, I think they watched like 2 movies. I went live on Lively, Musically, whatever. Ellie was in a box. I would have showed you guys, but she was in a box, like with the flashlight, popcorn, and everything. My hair is a mess. We're all getting ready for bed. I just ate granola bar, and Ellie ate her ice cream like she always does. So yeah. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And the question of the day is, you guys, like, what jewelry do you wear? Because I, like, started wearing bracelets now. I have my ears pierced. I don't wear earrings. I have necklaces. I sometimes wear them, just depends. And then I sometimes wear bracelets. And then I wear nail polish on my toes. That's it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. And bye, guys. We love you.